Okay, we're installing the bottom plates of the fuel cabinets at all Kroger's. First, pull the doors out as far as they can be pulled out. Second, remove the bottom two shelves. Place them on the side, out of the way. Try not to damage the product. Next, remove the existing plate. This could be difficult. Make sure you have a regular head screwdriver. You can pry this up. Pops right out. Pull it back. Drop it through. Should be able to slide it out. If not, you bring it up through, just like this. At that point, please remove all the foam sealant. Stuff comes off very easy. Please clean up as you're removing the sealant. Once you have all the foam sealant removed, the new plates will come in two pieces. The front of the pieces are identical. The front have two holes in it. These fit in very easy. Make sure the doors are all the way pulled out. Slide it in, just like that. First one's installed. Second one, same thing, holes up front. Slide it in just like that. The new plates are installed. Replace the two racks. Make sure you clean up around you. Merchandise the product. Find a trash can to throw this away, and that's it.